When comparing WP Engine versus SiteGround, it's crucial to ask which one truly offers better WordPress management. Both are popular choices, but depending on your needs, one could be the clear winner. Stick around to find out which might be the right fit for you, and stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a free trial link with an exclusive offer for our viewers. First off, let's talk about performance. WP Engine is well known for its top-tier WordPress hosting, but SiteGround has made quite a name for itself with its reliable performance too. However, when it comes to speed, WP Engine often leads. It boasts impressive loading times, thanks to its built-in caching and content delivery network, CDN. SiteGround, on the other hand, has a reputation for delivering solid performance, but its loading speeds tend to be a bit slower, especially when compared to WP Engine's infrastructure, which is specifically designed for WordPress. Next thing, support. Both WP Engine and SiteGround offer great customer service, but WP Engine shines here, especially for WordPress-specific issues. Their team is highly trained in WordPress and can quickly resolve complex problems. SiteGround's support is great too, but since it's more general, it can sometimes take a bit longer to get to the root of the issue, especially when it's WordPress specific. Moving on to pricing. WP Engine is known for being on the more expensive side. While they do offer excellent features, it comes at a price. SiteGround, however, tends to be more budget-friendly, especially for smaller websites or users just starting out. But there's a catch with SiteGround. Its renewal prices can be quite steep, so keep that in mind if you're planning for the long term. Now, let's talk about scalability. WP Engine's infrastructure is built for scalability and can handle the traffic spikes of larger websites with ease. If you're running a growing WordPress site, WP Engine can seamlessly scale with you. SiteGround also offers scalability, but it's more suited to small and medium-sized websites. If you're planning to grow substantially, WP Engine's high-performance infrastructure might give you more peace of mind. The fourth thing, features. WP Engine comes packed with exclusive features designed to streamline WordPress management, such as automatic backups, one-click staging environments, and a suite of developer tools. SiteGround, while offering great features like daily backups and caching, tends to be a bit more basic in comparison. The focus on simplicity with SiteGround makes it easier for beginners, but if you're looking for robust tools, WP Engine might be the better fit. Finally, let's talk about overall value. If you're just starting out with WordPress, SiteGround could be a great choice for its affordability and user-friendly interface. However, if you're running a larger site or need high-end features and support, WP Engine is the more reliable choice. That said, after trying both WP Engine and SiteGround, I found a better alternative. If you're serious about WordPress management and want the best of both worlds, performance, support, and features, I'd recommend you check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Both WP Engine and SiteGround are solid choices, but if you're looking for something more tailored to your needs, give this free trial a go.